guys, Eric here with another video, and this one in particular is something that some people may not know about. And I have a habit of keeping a lot of clutter on my desktop. It's just a habit, and it's easy for me to grab things and then put them there. But let's be truthful about it. If you want to really make your life a little easier, take these things and put them in certain folders, and that's how you really get organized. That's how I usually start, but it doesn't end that way. So what I want to show you real quickly here is that if you've got an icon that you can go ahead and pin over here, you're going to make your life easier if you want to go back to it. So let's say, for instance, I want this Audacity right here. I can take it and I can go ahead and pin it right there. Now it's off this desktop here, and I can just click on it when I want it. And that's the easiest way that you can make your life easier outside of having all these different icons on here. You really don't need all that. So again, if I take it, I right click and hold, and I just put it right there. I'm pinning it right in the bottom so I have quick access to it. Hopefully it helps you guys out for those who aren't familiar with pinning things on the bottom part there. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.